What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for this video I have another Halloween makeup look for you guys. But first things first, we are going to zhuzh up this wig. It is very basic. The color is amazing. The length, girl, it's amazing. I really like the color. It's described as an icy blue, silver blue, so that's what really like got my interest. And this will be my Halloween wig for this year. So now that I have it, every Halloween look that I'm going to do is going to have this wig in it. We have some customization to do to this wig. Usually you want to take your tweezers and pluck the part. This was supposed to be a middle part wig and it came with a side part. We'll figure it out. So first things first, we are going to add some baby hairs, kind of customize it a little bit just so it doesn't look so fakeish. I mean, I know it's Halloween, I know it's a wig, but let's just make it a little zhuzh, like a little extra. And for the second part to this video, I am going to do a makeup look for those of us who just, you know, want to have a little fun but don't necessarily want the whole hoopla of a costume and SFX and gory and all of that stuff. If you want to be cute with just some cat ears, a fun wig, and some fun makeup, then this is going to be your tutorial. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start with this side. So I'm just going to take down this layer. And grab it and then just shave it off. Careful, it's not, you don't get your real hair. I guess it's easier with the razor. Just gonna make that little piece just here, you know, just so it catches the breeze. And then I'm gonna just take a little bit more from the front because this was the important part anyways. I had to glue my real baby hairs under the wig because they kept getting in the way of everything, and I just did that using the Moco de Gorilla glue, hair gel. It's not hair glue, but it does have that tackiness that we need to do so. So I'm just going to I think I'm just gonna comb all of the baby hairs first down just so I see where all of them are. I think that's good enough. A little bit too long, so. So now that I combed them, my wig is pulling back. There you go. So you want it to be right on your forehead. Man, I like have such a small forehead and still try to lay baby hair down. I think that's good enough for it to look nice on the wig. I'm just gonna leave that like that. Sir. At least if it's going to be on the side now, it has something to sit on. So much easier with a razor. Faster too. Oh, it's gonna be like Smurf hair everywhere. You know when you have like a song stuck in your head and you just can't get it out of your head? Well, is the That for me is the Marc Anthony and Will Smith song. Esto está rico. Está rico, I think that's the official title. But that is my jam. I love that song. And I love Marc Anthony and Will Smith. I'm so excited. I just saw the poster where it says that Will Smith is going to be the new genie. Ah, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, so we are moving on with the tutorial. I'm gonna put my cat ears back on. Que esto está rico. ¿Dónde? Okay, let's move on to the cutesy makeup portion of this tutorial. And she's back with a voiceover. So we are starting off with our brows per usual, and I'm just using a brow definer pencil from L'Oreal, which is pretty bomb. And I'm going for a more natural brow with this look, but we are still carving it out so it can be a little bit more defined. And this is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. Any shade of concealer will do the job for this step. And I'm just taking it with a flat brush. And I am going to set my concealer with the MAC Loose Setting Powder, just so I have a nice velvety surface for my shadows. Then I will be using the Ben Nye Water Activated Paint, and I am going to apply this on my lid and up to where my skin fold is. Then I'm going to set it with an eyeshadow powder, which is the black from the Morphe Master Palette. And I'm using my little card trick, so I'm blending out that black shadow with a buffing brush. And then whatever is left on that brush, I'm just going to buff out that black shadow with it. So this part I just left in, but I ended up doing this little cat thing there. I really didn't like how it looked, so I just took it off. So moving on to the face, I'm using my Poreless primer. And yes, this foundation is way too orange, warm, dark on me, but it's one of the ones that I never use, so I just want to go through it. Using my creaseless concealer in the shade Light Honey and just blending that out. Lord, these faces, oh my gosh. So I'm just taking my KKW contour stick and the Fenty contour stick and contouring the nose and then buffing it out with a brush. So I started setting my eye with the MAC setting powder, loose powder, but I did not like how it looked, so then I went in with my trusty Maybelline loose powder, which is my jam, and I used the shade 05, which is very, very light, but again, I'm trying to correct that foundation color. And plus it's Halloween, why not go all the way, right? And I ended up using the brightening powder from the KKW collection to blend out that loose setting powder and just buff it in my face. All over my face. Obsessed with it, you guys. Obsessed. Okay, more KKW. Contour, please. Yes, I think so. So I'm using the warm shade first, which I'm obsessed with, and then the darker, cooler shade to just really define those areas. And that is the technique. I love it. The highlights are bomb. Watch this. Bam. Living. I could live in highlight. Like, please? Yes. There you go. She's feeling herself. Once you put the highlight, you guys, it's just like, you know, your game is at 100. Just like you're ready. Oh my gosh. So this is the KKW blush in the shade Karma. Obsessed with it. Obsessed. And I am not a blush person, but her blushes are amazing. They're so blendable. They're creamy. They're just amazing. So because I felt like my eye look was still not where I wanted it to be, I ended up taking Karma and I ended up buffing out more, like even further with it in my eye. So I'm just taking a little bit of brown shade and just setting it right under my eye. But yeah, that Karma shade is everything. And this is the Heavy Metal glitter liners from Urban Decay, which is a must for Halloween. And I'm just doing some detail on there. I don't know where this look is going, guys, but it went there. These lashes were so heavy, I kid you not. I don't know how drag queens do it. So I'm showing you here. There's two different lashes. How I put them together is they already had a little bit of glue on there, so then I just laid them, stacked them, and squeezed them, and then I put another layer of glue, double lashes for more drama. And then we are coming in with some hot fire from the Desi and Katie collab. This is a really cute and easy tutorial to have fun with your makeup, for those of us who don't want to step too far outside of the box and we still want to be cute and sexy. I feel like this is a great alternative, and I wanted to do something for my chicks. So you can just pair this look up with any like little Halloweeny ears. These, I love the ones that have rhinestones on them, and little cat ears are always cute. But they have a lot of different... Oh, my eyelash is about to fly off. If you like the part of the smoky eye, you don't have to do the bottom part. If you like the glitter part, just add it to wherever you want. You can pair it up with a dark lip, a black lip, a red lip. Make it yourself, make it your own. And yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and have a happy Halloween month. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye. Adios.